kitchen. I am gonna prepare something before I go and take the dogs for an afternoon walk, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna be preparing. So I have tofu, I have turmeric curry and paprika, I have cumin, masala and cayenne, garlic, scallion, onion, some red bell peppers and string bean, and tofu that I sprinkled with a bit of cornstarch, and I have oil in the pot that I have bring to coming to a temperature so I can fry this, and then I'm going to show you what I get up to. This is not a set recipe, it's called intuition cooking. If it tastes nice, I'll leave the recipe below. If not, then I will not leave it below. But I need it all come to a temperature, and then I'm gonna fry the tofu. I cut the like 1-inch dice and sprinkle a little bit of cornstarch, and what that helps is to keep it together and not crumble. Wish me luck. I hope it works. So we have to go in one at a time. Ooh, do you hear that sizzling? Not bad, not bad. No, I'm gonna try and use my hands. I'm not telling you to do that. I have kitchen fingers. If you want to, do so at your own risk. Okay? Okay. This is, so I usually make my own tofu, and it's a lot of labor of love. And so I decided to buy store-bought tofu, and I'm telling you, it's not as good as when you make it yourself. Let me brag on myself there. And frankly, I enjoy making things from scratch. So I wanted to have a little bit of color as well as to keep it together so that it doesn't crumble. If not, well, yeah. The reason why I'm doing this is so that the oil moves around the tofu. It's not coming to any color at all. So this is gonna take a while. We have all day, 24 hours in the day, darling. So I tried frying them until they're burned and they're not getting any color. I guess there's a lot of water in this tofu. So what I'm gonna do is do the other method that I have in mind, and we work our way from there. And I'm gonna show you that method. Some of the oil. And I'm gonna go in with onion, garlic, scallion, and our bell peppers, red bell pepper, and string bean. We're gonna toss it, toss it, toss it. So this is the other way I had in mind. So we're gonna do this, toss it, toss it, toss it, until the red onions are a little bit translucent and the garlic is cooked. We're gonna toss it, toss it, toss it, toss it, toss it, and we wanna bring up some of the brown bits of the tofu from the bottom. So we're just gonna toss this, toss this, toss this, toss this, toss this, toss this. And then we're gonna go in with our masala, cumin, and cayenne. We're gonna also go in with our paprika, curry, and turmeric. Bringing everybody together, let this toss together, toast together, open the, the flavors a bit more. The flame is on medium, not medium, low heat, so I'm going to bring it to medium. down a bit, and the reason for this is because the tofu has a lot of water in it. Like the store-bought tofu has a lot of water. I cannot, even though it says firm, it has so much water in it, it's unbelievable. And so maybe I'll show you guys how I made my own tofu. It's a long process. It's not a, but yeah. This alone can be eaten like this, you know, but I'm gonna go in with the tofu and let it cool down some more. It might get crumbly, so that's something to note. And this is the attempted brown tofu I was trying to do. So I am going to cover this and then bring it back when it's almost finished. I'm gonna taste this, see if we need to add salt. Oh, more chili and smoke and salt. So I'm gonna add some salt to the pot. My secret salt. So we're almost finished. Just needed a little bit more spice. So I added a bit of spice, which was black pepper. So I'm gonna do another taste test. Nice. Now we're talking. In the kitchen to cook rice. Mango, mango, mango. Me love you like mango. I better you give me some loving. See how far we can go. Imagine it be nice and something. I say me love you like mango. I better you give me some loving. See how far we can go. Imagine it be nice. Savannah is the singer and owner of these lyrics, not me. I'm just a voice. The voice. Eh? And a fan of Savannah. We love you like mango. I bet you give me some loving. See how far we can go. Imagine it be nice. For my singing, Mango is about to prepare the rice. We're gonna have rice with the veggie leg. Not much he's doing right here. Not much because the machine is cooking the rice. I'm just gonna stay here for 20 minutes. Here's the finished product of what we have. The curry tofu with veggie, rice, and a little bit of lettuce and wine. After a late evening lunch, I am going to be taking the doggies for a walk. I have a monster and a new monster. I'm gonna head back home with these two monstros. It was a good time. I'm sure they had a great time in the park. They were playing, except Gora. So I am back home with these monsters, and I am doing a bit of work, responding to emails. Yeah, just a little bit of work, and I'm gonna snack. I'm gonna have banana and bagels, and Philadelphia bagels.